What's up, everybody? Bill with Honest Open Permaculture Hop Farm. I know I look a little different. I don't have my hat on. You get to see my bald spots. But I just want to tell you real quick, I have not gone live yet because YouTube won't let me still. I wasn't planning on using a streaming app or some sort of streaming service to go live. Planned on going live straight through the YouTube mobile app, right on my phone. And it's still saying I am not eligible when the eligibility is 1,000 subscribers. I've tried a couple times today. So I reached out to a few other YouTube people that I know, some Facebook pages, and they said it may take a few days before they activate it for me. So it was yesterday that we hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. Today I was hoping to go live, but obviously it's not going to happen. So I just want to let you guys know why I haven't gone live yet, and as soon as they will let me go live, I'm going to do it. Let me show you a little bit of what I have been doing today. It's pretty cool, guys. Well, first off, we had a market this morning in downtown Winston-Salem. First market we've been to like this, like an actual market where you set up your tent and have tables and things like that. We've been to a few holiday markets, which was a little different atmosphere, like Christmas markets and stuff. But this is the first time actual like farmers market. And it was downtown Winston-Salem, just 4 of us, 4 farmers. It was a local event, so only local farmers. Really cool event, first time. We're gonna do it now every Tuesday. So if you guys are in the area, downtown Winston-Salem, it's the Wells Fargo building. Right in front of the Wells Fargo building, we're setting up. There's 3 other farmers there right now with me. Seed to Seed Farm. They're the one putting it all together. Chantal is putting it all together for us, doing an awesome job. And guys, come down there and check us out. It's downtown Winston-Salem at the Wells Fargo building. Look what I just got done doing. Yep. I've heard of Christmas in July. How about Halloween in July? A little weird, huh? Well, I've got a good amount of pumpkins back here. Let me show you these. So how many we got here? I didn't even count them. 1, 2. 27 pumpkins right here. And there's a few more I left in this area. A couple down here that are still getting ready. Yep, a few more down here. Another one over here. And I also pulled out some rotten ones. So we're looking at about 30 pumpkins in this little 40-foot row here. About 30 pumpkins that I didn't plant. I actually fed these to my chickens in the winter that I didn't even pay for. The pumpkins were free to me. They were free chicken food, and they gave me pumpkins. Oh, not only pumpkin seeds are a dewormer. So I got free medicine for my chickens, free food for my chickens, and at least as many pumpkins as I fed them is how many I pulled out of here. Tell me that's not a self-sustaining system right there. I thought that was pretty cool, guys. And I did actually pull out a few pumpkins that were in here, a few pumpkin plants that were really starting to take over the rest of the areas, like some of the tomato rows and those squash rows up here. I pulled a few of those plants out, so I probably could have gotten 40 pumpkins, and I fed them 30-ish when they're in this area. So I got more pumpkins than I fed them. The pumpkins were free. People were just going to throw them away anyways. Win-win. All we had to do is pick them up. I think that was pretty cool. So I just wanted to share that real quick with you guys. Let you know that I will be going live as soon as YouTube will let me. And I want to show you this awesome pumpkin harvest that I had really nothing to do with besides feeding my chickens free pumpkins. All right, y'all. I'm going to let you go. This is going to be a short one. And stay tuned. Remember, hit that bell notification beside the subscribe so you know when I go live. Hopefully it'll be in the next few days. Later, y'all.